This video will demonstrate how to upgrade your EPIC 1000's instrument firmware using a Windows 7 computer. To perform this upgrade, you will also need a USB client host cable, such as a USB printer cable. First, you'll need to download the software upgrade package to your PC from the Olympus website, www.olympus-ims.com. From the Support section, select Software Downloads. Click on EPIC Series, and then select the EPIC 1000 Field Upgrade utility. In the pop-up window, click Latest Version to begin the download. If you don't already have a login ID and password, you'll need to create one here. Once the download is complete, right-click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. Choose a location to save the extracted files, like the desktop, and press Extract. The upgrade package contains an executable file for installation of the upgrade utility program, and two files used for the software upgrade. Because the files have a .bin extension, we will refer to these files as bin files. Windows 7 behaves differently than previous versions of Windows when installing this software. During installation, when prompted with this dialog box from Windows Security, it is required that you click on Install this driver software anyway, in order for Windows to properly complete the installation. You may also need to select Yes in other dialog boxes to allow Windows to make changes to your PC when installing. Please also note that you will be required to restart your computer during this installation process. To install the upgrade utility, double-click on the EPIC XT1000 Upgrade Utility executable file. Click Yes to the prompt. You will also need to install Windows Mobile Device Center to connect to the EPIC 1000. Select Option 3, Install All, from the installation menu, and follow the on-screen instructions. During the program installation, you'll typically see a message box stating that a reboot of the computer is required. You should allow the remainder of the installation process to complete, including Windows Mobile Device Center, before you restart your computer. Be sure to choose Install this driver software anyway each time you are prompted, which may occur up to 3 times. Once the main program is installed, Windows Mobile Device Center will automatically begin its installation. During this installation, you may see a message box stating that the device drivers have not been successfully installed. You can ignore this message at this time, as the driver installation won't be completed until your instrument is connected to the PC. Once the installation of Mobile Device Center has completed, you must restart your PC. When your PC has successfully restarted, click the Windows icon, select All Programs, and open Windows Mobile Device Center from your Start menu. You will be prompted to accept the End User License Agreement before the program will continue. After accepting the End User License Agreement, turn on the EPIC 1000 and allow it to completely boot up. Next, plug one end of the USB cable into the top port on the EPIC 1000, and the other end into a USB port on your PC. Windows 7 will automatically install the USB drivers and display a notification when complete. Once the drivers are installed, Windows Mobile Device Center will indicate that it has successfully connected to a new device. The upgrade process requires loading each of the 2 bin files onto the EPIC 1000. Please keep in mind that older versions of the EPIC 1000 may respond differently to the installation of these bin files. If you receive an error during the upgrade process, please contact our sales engineering team. To begin the upgrade, turn off your EPIC 1000 and plug it into AC power. Then, open the EPIC XT Upgrade Utility program by double-clicking on the desktop icon. Press the Upgrade eBoot software button. Click the Browse button and locate the bin files downloaded to your PC. Select the 1000 boot C file and press Open. Now, start the EPIC 1000 in upgrade mode, which allows the bin files to be transferred and installed on the instrument. Press and hold the F2 key, and then turn the unit on. When the instrument displays the Begin Download over USB Now message, you may release the F2 key on the EPIC. This message will appear on the screen for approximately 15 seconds, and it is important to press the Start Download button on the upgrade utility within this time frame. If the message disappears before pressing Start Download, wait for the EPIC to fully start, turn the unit off, and repeat this process. When the 1000 boot C file has finished loading, the EPIC 1000 will shut off, and you will be returned to the main screen on the upgrade utility. We'll now repeat the same process for the second bin file. Press the Upgrade Operating Software button in the upgrade utility. Then click Browse to locate the bin files. Select the 1000V file and press Open. As before, hold down the F2 key on the EPIC and turn the unit on. When the instrument displays Begin Download over USB Now, release the F2 key and quickly press Start Download on the upgrade utility. Progress bars on the EPIC 1000 and the upgrade utility will provide a status of the file upgrade. The progress bar on the EPIC will cycle twice, once to transfer the bin file to the instrument, and a second time to install this file in the instrument's memory. This process may take up to 10 minutes to complete. When the file has finished loading, the EPIC 1000 will shut off. You can now close the upgrade utility, disconnect the USB cable from the EPIC, and turn the unit on. The current software version will display on screen during startup. As part of the boot up process immediately following the upgrade, you may be prompted to back up your EPIC 1000 database to a USB stick. If desired, insert a USB stick into one of the host ports on the EPIC 1000 and press P1. If you don't want to back up your data, press P2. The backup will create a duplicate copy of all files onto a USB stick. The USB stick must have enough available memory to back up the entire database from the instrument. Databases can be as large as 4 gigabytes, but are typically smaller. The EPIC will perform a backup process and then shut down. You can now turn the unit on and proceed with normal operation. This completes the software upgrade process for the EPIC 1000 flaw detector. For more information, please visit our website at www.olympus-ims.com or contact your local sales representative.